Okay, topics is physics for engineers. Topics is dynamics. Medyo mahagot na. So, padayon lang kita. So, I think this one is law of equilibrium or inertia, which is at rest. So, summations of F is equal to 0. So, number 3, a 75 kilo wrecking ball hangs from a uniform heavy-duty chain. But of course, sa iyo kasi problem, dili mak nagbubutang kung ano tiyang alo. So, you really have to analyze. Saragol man ito ira. Okay? So, kaupay lang mo, sir. Okay, syempre, sir, maron na, sir, kung ano yung kuan. But anyway, nakita mo kung dito mag-solve. A 75 kilo cracking ball hangs from a uniform heavy-duty chain. The mass at 26 kilo. Find the maximum and minimum tension in the chain. So, may da ka wrecking ball. You have a wrecking ball. May bekang wrecking ball. A wrecking ball. Tapos may dito niya chain. I don't know how to draw a chain. Oh, basta chain ito yan. Nakaunat ito dapat stout. Ay, derechong ko nala. May daniya chain to. Chain ini ha. Bagayin kuan kadina. Payagan sir pag drawing sir. Sige. Butang ko nala ito yung bagan nasugad. Ano ito sir? Kay chain ito ya. Kadina ba kadina? Ay, pasensya ka mo ta kadina. So, an imo mass an imo wrecking ball is 75 kilogram. Tapos may bugat liwat chain. May daliwat an mass an imo chain nga 26 kilogram. So, find the maximum and minimum tension in the chain. So, if you're going to minimum nimo nga tension is adi dinhi. Uot doon nimo dinhi. Okay? Didahiton, of course, you have to have a free body diagram. Sa nimo chain, uot doon nimo nga da, baga kalahituhin may da ball, tapos may guti ay nga sa lawit. Diba? God. Ngad. So, you have tension. Tension is ti paigbaw. Pagutda kasi nimo, tension would be going up. Kaya nimo ball is 75 kilogram. So, meaning, it nga maximum nga minimum nga tension, this is the minimum tension. Ang pinaka tension niya pinakaguti is aniyaw dadadon niya bugatan tension is kanan inila. Meaning the summation of Fy is equal to 0 kay of course di matiya nakapundo man la siya. So you have a tension minimum pinakahilipot minimum going up, and then you have a weight of the 75 times 9.8. Diretso ko na lahat 75 times 9.80665. So that is your minimum. How about the maximum? Of course, uot dun nimo nga ding side. Tas added dit imo tension. Nakita nimo? Tension would be going up kay amo tiya iton magdadra kay kun diri tiya mag-going up, mahuhulog daw ito ya. Mahuhulog tiya. Wala man di ibang force. Okay? So, kailangan niyo magsinolve. Kaya medyo malipat ko yun una. Of course, then siya nagbubaro-balik ta ditiya because kung din mo utda, actually, kung kanina ginutod mo didi, ang nasa lo dida ang akuan, may dagapit niya tension dida. Pero ini nga tension, let's say that is tension minimum, that is equal. Okay, kung di na namin ginutod. Nga actually, may kita talaga nimo nga along your chain, it pinaka mabigay talaga ito ada igbaw. Because it imo tension dida igbaw is maximum. Dire ito mabigay didi. Basta, given that, paparehot era, of course, kadig-un. Kita niyo? Ito yung concept. Paparehot iya kadig-un from up to down. So, makikita niyo nga, kung paparehot kadig-un, mabigay ito didi igbaw. Because, that is your T maximum. At the top, your T max. So, you have your T max kasi, summations of Fy, summations of Fy is equal to 0. That is T max going up. May da pa kasi nimo weight nga kanan chain. Kanina, waray po weight nga kanan chain, kaya di pa man laubos. Tanayo? So that is minimum, maximum. Kay pati ang chain, hiyan at makakarga, which is the 26 kilo. So 26, that is going down. An imo, ini, masa nimo chain. So kung dili mo nga niot doon, ito nga mas, diri pa ito hiya ma-effect. So 26 times 9.80665. Tapos may dani mo mas liwatan nimo wrecking ball, which is 75 times 9.80665. Or you have a T max, which is actually equal to 9.80665 meters per second squared multiplied by 26 plus 75. So, ito dako ya. 9.80665 times 26 plus 75. And that will give you 990 Newton. Kung didi, your T minimum, waray pa ang kanan chain, that would be 75 times 9.80665. That would give you 735 Newton. Okay? So that is your T minimum, this is your T maximum. Of course, your T maximum, mas maborobog at pinaka, bagabait iya concept, pinaka, meaning your, ito nga imo rope, or ito nga imo chain, dapat ito ya, mas madigun pa yun nga T max. Kaya timin, magurugaan man ito. T max. Kaya para di rin mautod, ito na imo chain. Okay? So, I think kulang pang problem. So, what is the tension at a point 3/4 of the way up? 3/4, what's the tension at a point 3/4 of the way up from the bottom? So, 3/4 up from the bottom of the chain. 3/4 up. So, ani din ni banda? So, let's just 3/4 up. So, mautod ka din ni, ani din ni mo? Tension. That is T 3/4. So, ganala. So, at 3/4, you have summations of Fy is equal to 0. Again, anot gamitin ni? Because, animo, itkasyon ni, di rin nakiwa, iti mo set up. Meaning, nakapuno diya at rest. Okay, amot gamitin ni ha? Dito kay ginimihin mo lang equation. You really have to understand that. So, equal ito hiya. So, an imo T 3/4, 3/4 na la. T 3/4, tapos, an imo, mas an imo, chain. Iti mo mas an imo chain, 3/4 gihapon. 26 times 3/4. Kaya mo makakabra niya bugat, pegbaw. Diba? 26 times 3/4 times 9.80665 minus an imo weight, an imo ball, wrecking ball, which is 75 times 9.80665. So, an imo T 3/4, diba makatuwa kaluyo, kay 0 man didi. That would give you a 9.80665. Tapos, isulod ko na lang ini. 26 times 3 all over 4 plus 75. So, that would be your tension 3/4 way up. 9.80665 times 26 times 3 all over 4 plus 75. And your answer would be 927. 927 Newton. Of course, gurgutit hiya kay setting mo maximum. Okay? So, that would be the answer to those problems. Thank you guys for listening.